In this video, I'll show you how to instantly transfer money from your debit or credit card to your PayPal account. So all you need to do is head over to the PayPal website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, click on the request button in the right hand side. Then what you need to do is enter an email address that's not the one associated to your account. So if you don't already have a second email account, then you could just create a free one on Google Mail. And once you've entered this email address, press next, and then enter the amount of money that you want to send over to your PayPal. So I'll just enter £1. Then scroll down to the bottom and press request now. Once you've done that, you'll need to head over to the email account that you requested the money from. And if you scroll down on the email, you'll have this option to click pay now. So just select this and it will take you to this PayPal screen. Now the most important part is just to scroll down to the bottom and click pay without a PayPal account. So select this, and then all you need to do is fill in the information on the screen, enter all of your payment information, and then you need to scroll down and there'll be an option in the middle saying create a PayPal account to skip this form and check out faster next time. Make sure to leave this unchecked. And once you've filled out all of your information here, you can just press continue. And then once you've sent the money, that will now appear instantly in your PayPal account. And that's it, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.